choose. In life, you choose. If you win or lose, fight or surrender.
I dare you
up or fight back. Settle or
to take a
demand
trip
more. It's a choice.
to your local
It's
hospital.
your choice. Hard work
And if you
is
have
a
an
choice.
opportunity to walk
Having
down
a
those
positive
corridors
attitude is a choice.
and
Discipline
witness
is a choice.
so many different
Sacrificing
people,
now for a
different
greater
age
tomorrow.
groups,
It
different
is a
ethnicities.
choice.
And each one of these individuals are fighting something. They're dealing with some type of sickness.
Persistence is a choice.
And some of these sicknesses,
Working on yourself
they may
so
not be
you
able to
can
recover
be
from.
better is a choice.
I dare you to walk down a neighborhood
Being like
where there are many
everyone
people
else,
that are
playing
homeless
the victim,
and have no place to go,
settling for the life
no
everyone
food
else
to eat,
expects from you.
barely even have clothes on their backs.